You want to finally start your YouTube channel today, but something's holding you back, right? It feels like you need a degree in rocket science just to figure out all the settings before you can even hit record. Most tutorials will show you what buttons to click, but they won't tell you the secrets that top channels use from day one to get ahead. I'm going to give you the 3 strategic secrets that make viewers instantly feel like, hey, this channel was made for me. First, build a rock-solid foundation, avoiding the one critical mistake that 90% of new creators make. Second, teach the YouTube algorithm exactly who you are, so it starts working for you from day one. And third, I'll reveal the dark mode secret, the simple reason why your thumbnails might be getting ignored by half of your audience, and how to fix it. And I'll show you how to use free AI tools to create your channel name and design from scratch. So let's get started. First, let's head over to youtube.com. I know, the screen is blindingly white. We'll fix that, I promise. But first, we need an account. So let's go to the top right corner and click Sign In. Since we're starting with a brand new dedicated account, we'll choose Use Another Account. And then, the most important button on this page, Create Account. And right here is where we avoid the #1 mistake that 90% of creators make. Most beginners click for my personal use. Don't. That's the mistake. It links your personal life to your channel. Instead, we're choosing for work or my business. This is the secret to creating a separate, secure brand account, and it gives you 3 superpowers. Maximum security. Your personal files stay completely separate. Second, future scalability. You can add team members without sharing your password. And third, a professional foundation. You're building a real brand from day one. This brings us to the Choose the Email screen. We want the free option, so let's click on Get a Gmail address. That takes us to the Create a Google account page. Let's enter a first name for the account. Next up is basic information. Go ahead and enter your birthday and gender. This next screen is where you'll choose your account identifier. Use an email address or phone number. We're going to use a phone number. It's a clean and secure way to set this up, so go ahead and enter your phone number. Google will now send a 6-digit verification code to that number to confirm you own it. Once you've received the code, just type it in and hit Next. On the Get More from Your Number screen, we don't need these extra services, so let's simply hit Skip. And now we get to the Create a Strong Password screen. And please, for your own safety, don't just type password 1 like I'm doing here on screen. This is just a demonstration. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After your password, you'll see the Review Your Account Info page. Just confirm everything and hit Next. Now you'll see the Choose Your Settings page. For this tutorial, we'll take the fast lane, select Choose in one step, and click Next. On the settings summary, just scroll all the way down and click Accept All. And on the next page, let's confirm our settings. Now, the privacy and terms. Scroll down and click I agree. Okay, the account is officially ready, but Google has 2 more quick offers. This first page, Get Your Business on Google, is for local businesses, so we'll click Not Now. And this final upsell for Google Workspace, we also don't need it. So let's click Skip for now. And just like that, we're back on YouTube, logged into our brand new dedicated Google account. And you're immediately greeted by this automatic pop-up, Choose how you'll appear on YouTube. This is a crucial moment. YouTube is now asking you to create your first personal channel. It automatically uses the name from your Google account. So don't worry, this is not our final channel. It's just a necessary, technical step to unlock the ability to create our real separate brand channel next. So for now, go ahead and hit Create. Perfect. Now that your personal channel is active, we're going to completely ignore it. And for those of you who already have a YouTube account and want to create a second channel, your journey starts right here. The steps are now exactly the same for everyone. Click on your profile icon, go to Switch Account, and click on View All Channels. This takes you to your channel dashboard. Click on Plus Create a Channel. This creates your separate, secure brand account. And this is the screen where we'll choose our final name and handle for our real channel. But before we type anything, let's talk strategy. The niche you choose right now can be the difference between earning $2 per video or 200. Choosing your niche is a massive topic. If you want a full deep dive on the top 10 most profitable niches, comment top niches below. If I see enough of you are interested, that's the next video I'll make. But for now, here are the top 3 highest paying niches on YouTube to get you started. First is finance and investing, because banks pay top dollar for ads. Second, technology, because tech brands have huge marketing budgets. And third, online business, because the products sold have a high value. Keep that in mind. So, with that decided, let's find the perfect name for our new YouTube channel using AI. To make this even easier, I've put all the prompts we're using today into a single Google Doc file for you. The link is in the description. You can just copy and paste directly from it. So, let's do exactly that. I'm opening the doc file, copying our prompt for the channel name, and heading over to ChatGPT. Now we just paste the entire prompt right into the message box. And by the way, look at this prompt. It's a universal template. Just replace the highlighted word, in our case, finance, with your own topic, and it will work for any niche you can imagine. So let's hit enter. And just like that, a list of fantastic starting points. Let's see. Money made simple, clear cash, penny path. I really like number 4, grow wise. It's simple, memorable, and clear. Now we have our name, but before we lock it in, let's run it through the pro check that separates amateurs from professionals. First, back on YouTube, let's search for our name. To see only channels, we'll go to filters and select channel. Okay, a few small channels exist, but no major brand. That's a good sign. Next, the brand check. Back in our Google Doc file, copy the link for the WIPO Global Brand Database and open it in a new tab. This is where you check if your name is a registered trademark to avoid any legal trouble. Let's go to the database, type in Grow Wise, and no results found. That's our final green light. Let's go back to YouTube. We'll type Grow Wise into the name field. Now for the handle, this can be confusing, so let's make it crystal clear. Your channel name is your first name. There can be thousands of people named Alex, but your handle is your unique fingerprint. There is only one in the entire world. Okay, with that clear, let's try to get our handle. As you can see, YouTube has automatically assigned a handle, often with random characters at the end. We want something cleaner and more professional. Let's try to get the handle that exactly matches our name. And as you can see, it's already taken. This is normal. The solution? Add a simple professional suffix to the end. Let's try adding an underscore, followed by Mr. AI. And we have a green check mark. It's available. Now, we hit the final button, Create Channel. Okay, our channel is now live. First order of business. Let's fix this blindingly white screen. Click your profile icon, go to Appearance, and select Dark Theme. This is so much better. And this isn't just for comfort. This is step 1 of the dark mode secret we'll reveal later. Okay, right now your channel is like a superhero without powers. It's time to unlock them. To do that, we need to verify the channel. From your main account settings page, find your YouTube channel and click the blue link, Channel Status and Features. This takes you directly to the Feature Eligibility tab. Under Intermediate Features, you'll see you need to verify a phone number. This is critical because it unlocks your 3 creative functions. First is custom thumbnails, the holy grail for getting clicks. Second, videos longer than 15 minutes. And third, the ability to go live. So let's click Verify Phone Number. In the new tab, confirm your country, enter your number, and hit Next. Now, enter the 6-digit code you receive and click Submit, and there it is. Phone number verified. Perfect. This verification unlocks the door to the final advanced features and monetization. We'll cover exactly how to get those in just a few minutes. So, your channel is verified, right? Now it's time to teach the algorithm to work for you with the set and forget settings. The things you do once that save you hours of work later. We're already in the settings menu. So let's click on the Channel tab. Under Basic Info, first set your country of residence. Then, the Keywords box. This is where you get to whisper directly to the YouTube algorithm. And instead of just guessing, we're going to use AI. Let's head back to our Google Doc file and copy our second prompt for channel keywords. Remember, you can just replace the highlighted parts with your own channel's details. Now back to ChatGPT and paste it in. Perfect. Now for the pro move, we don't just trust the AI, we verify the data. To do this, we'll use vidIQ. The link is in the description. Let's copy a core keyword from our list, like side hustles, and check its potential. Over on the vidIQ dashboard, let's go to the Keywords tool and paste in our term. And look at this, we get a complete breakdown. The search volume is high, that's great, and the competition is medium, that's the sweet spot. It means people are searching for it, but it's not impossible to rank for. This is a fantastic keyword. Let's click on related keywords and sort by overall score. And boom, vidIQ just gave us a goldmine of other powerful keywords, all backed by real search data. This right here is the pro workflow. You combine AI's creativity with data-driven decisions. vidIQ is an incredibly powerful tool. If you want a full dedicated video on how I use it to grow my channel, comment vidIQ below. If I see enough of you are interested, that's the video I'll make. Okay, keywords are solid. Back to ChatGPT, copy the entire list, then back to YouTube and paste it into the keywords box. And boom, YouTube automatically formats everything. Next, in advanced settings, set your channel to No, it's not made for kids. This saves you a click on every single upload. Now go to Upload Defaults. Under Visibility, set this to Unlisted. I recommend this over Private, so you can share a link for feedback before you publish. And in the Community tab under Content Controls, set your comment moderation to Strict. to automatically protect your channel from trolls. Okay, our set and forget settings are complete. Let's hit save. Now the algorithm knows exactly who you are. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Your channel's visual first impression. Before we design your profile picture and banner, you have to make one big strategic decision: personal brand or concept brand. A personal brand is simple. You are the channel. This is the path if you want to build a community around your personality and expertise. It builds trust faster than anything else. For this, your profile picture must be a clear, high-quality photo of your face. A concept brand means the topic is the star, not you. This is the right choice if you want to stay anonymous or build a brand that's bigger than just one person. For this, you need a clean, memorable logo. For our GrowWise channel, we're building a concept brand, so we need a logo. And we're going to create a professional one right now for free with AI. Let's get to it. Go to the Customization tab to upload our profile picture and banner. Back in our Google Doc, let's copy the profile picture prompt. Remember, just replace the highlighted parts with your own ideas, and this template will work for any niche. Now, over to ChatGPT. Let's paste it in and see what it creates. Wow, okay, that's strong. A clean, minimalist design that perfectly represents GrowWise. Let's download it. But what if you're not happy with the AI, or you want more creative control? The alternative is Canva. Just head over there, search for YouTube logo, and filter by YouTube channel logo. You'll get thousands of free, fully customizable templates. Just pick one, click Customize, and you can change everything: the text, the colors, the icons. It's an incredibly powerful way to create a unique logo for free. Next up, the channel banner. We're already in Canva, so let's just modify our search. Replace logo with banner and switch the filter to YouTube banner. And again, thousands of banner templates. Let's find one that fits our clean, professional vibe. This black and gray one looks perfect. Let's customize it. First, the main text becomes our channel name, GrowWise. And this tagline here, vlog, review, travel, doesn't fit our niche. Let's change it to something simple and direct, like finance. Let's switch the font to something more modern and clean. Adjust the size. Perfect. Okay, we're happy with that. Let's hit share, then download, and save it as a PNG. Now, back in YouTube Studio, let's upload our banner image. We'll select the file we just made, and there it is. This preview shows you how your banner looks on all devices. This middle section, viewable on all devices, is that critical mobile safe zone. And because we designed for it, our text is perfectly centered. Let's click Done. Now for the profile picture. Let's click Upload and select the logo our AI created. And look at that. ChatGPT generated it perfectly centered for a circular profile. No adjustments needed. We can just click Done. Finally, the video watermark. This is a small, clickable image that appears on all your videos. Let's upload a simple subscribe button. I've linked a free one for you in the description. Now for the most important setting, change the display time to entire video. This keeps that subscribe button always visible. Next up, the channel description. This box has two jobs. It's your elevator pitch for new viewers, and it's your first whisper to the YouTube algorithm. And you don't have to be a professional writer to get this right. Let's head back to our Google Doc file. Copy the channel description prompt. Again, just replace the highlighted parts with your own details. Now back to ChatGPT. Let's paste it in and watch it work. Perfect. A compelling, SEO-rich description. Let's copy the entire text and paste it directly into the description box on YouTube. And right below that is the links section. This is where you'll add your social media and affiliate links later on. Now for the most critical security step. Scroll down to Contact Info. This is your public business email, and I'm going to type this so you never forget it. Never include login email here. The reason is simple. This email is public. Putting your login email here gives hackers the key to your entire channel. Always use a separate email address just for business. So let's hit publish to make our branding live. Now it's time to reveal the dark mode secret I promised you at the very beginning. This pro-level tip can be the difference between a video that gets seen and one that gets ignored. We're going to use a free tool called testmythumbnails.com. The link is in the Google Doc file. On their main page, click Run Test. This gives us a live simulation of the YouTube homepage. Now let's upload a thumbnail I've prepared and see how it competes. Okay, we're starting in dark mode, which is how most people watch YouTube. Our thumbnail in the top left looks strong. The contrast is good. Now, watch what happens when we switch to light mode. The whole vibe changes. Let's switch back and forth a few times. See that? How the colors pop, how the text reads, how it competes with its neighbors. It all changes with the background. This is the dark mode secret. What looks amazing in light mode might be completely invisible in dark mode, and vice versa. You have to design and test for both. This single check forces forces you to see your thumbnail not in isolation, but in the real environment where it has to compete for attention. So test your thumbnails in both modes. It's a game changer. Okay, one final pro trick for this section that can directly increase your subscribers. Back in YouTube Studio, scroll to your channel URL and click the copy icon. Now I'll paste this URL into the address bar at the top, just as a temporary placeholder. Don't hit enter. Next, over to our Google Doc file. Down at the bottom, under links, is the magic code we need. Let's copy it. Back on our channel tab, let's paste the code at the very end of the URL in our address bar. Perfect. Now, copy this entire new URL. Scroll down to links and click plus add link. Paste our new link into the URL field. For the title, let's write something direct, like subscribe here. Now hit publish to make it live. Let's check our work. I'll open a new tab and paste in our new link. And look at that, an instant subscribe pop-up. This is so powerful because it removes a click from the process and takes the viewer directly to the subscribe decision. This simple trick will have a massive impact on your growth. Okay, now that we've confirmed it works, let's head back to YouTube Studio for a quick tour. Let's start with a free resource most creators don't even know about. Down here on the left, click the audio library. This is YouTube's own library of thousands of copyright-free songs and sound effects you can use in your videos for free. It's a goldmine. You never have to worry about copyright strikes. Okay, next up, the tab everyone's excited about, the Earn tab. This is your monetization dashboard. It shows you how you can earn money from ads, memberships, and more. But first, you have to meet the eligibility requirements. Let's scroll down. You need 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views. This page will track your progress automatically. Now a quick look at the other main tabs. The Analytics tab is your data hub. It shows you who's watching and for how long. It's empty now, but this tab will become your best friend. And the Content tab is simply where all your videos will live. And the Dashboard is your main overview of what's happening on your channel. But to even apply for monetization, you need those advanced features. Let me show you how to unlock them. Back in Settings, under Channel and Feature Eligibility, let's expand the Advanced Features. To unlock these powerful features, you need to complete one of these three options: video verification, a valid ID, or building channel history. My recommendation? For most beginners, just start making videos. YouTube will unlock this automatically for you over time. But if you want everything unlocked from day one, the video verification is the fastest way. Just click Access Features to start the process. You now know your way around the YouTube Studio. But all these tools are useless without the most important part, creating. So let's move on to the final step, the creative mindset. And before you record anything, start with focus. Ask yourself two questions. Who is this for? And why should they care? The answer is your target audience and your value proposition. It's the compass for everything you create. Second, remember, emotion and curiosity are more important than SEO. Instead of just cramming keywords, tap into the desires, goals, and fears of your audience. Make them feel something. Third, your title and thumbnail are more important than your video. Think about it. Everyone sees your packaging, but only those who click will see what's inside, so spend time on your packaging. The pro tip? Create them before you record. If you can't make a clickable package, you don't have a good video idea. And fourth, the most important tip of all, stop watching videos about YouTube and start YouTubing. You need to discover if you even enjoy this. And I promise you this, in 6 months, you'll look back on your first video and cringe. And that is a fantastic thing. It means you've grown. It means you've learned, because nothing beats experience. And honestly, your journey doesn't stop here. The perfect next step is this video right here. It's the best follow-up to everything you've learned today. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Creators Club. Peace.